After realizing the benefits of sports in the lives of people with disabilities with my own experience, in partnership with Choice International, we started conducting some coaching camps in wheelchair basketball by bringing coaches from abroad. We thought that there is a big need for having a national level federation. This wheelchair basketball is a new sport for India. So then we started Wheelchair Basketball Federation of India. Till now we could introduce around 350 players to wheelchair basketball in India.
My name is Anthony Pereira. I served in the army during the 1971 Bangladesh war. I got injured in my spinal cord and became a paraplegic.
My name is Divyesh Babar. I'm captain of the Delhi wheelchair basketball team. I've been on a wheelchair myself for about 4.5 years. I met with a car accident in May 2011, which resulted in me having a spinal cord injury. So since then I've been playing wheelchair basketball at the Indian Spinal Hospital in Vasant Kunj. If any person who goes through a spinal cord injury goes through a lot of depression, that's what I feel, and everyone goes through that sad stage in life where you feel what's happening to you. And playing a sport is one thing that gives you a feeling of happiness, immense joy, that you're a part of a team and you have a role to play.
I am really excited to be a part of this basketball, because if you're playing any sport on a wheelchair, you're not being, you don't feel like as if you are a differently abled person, and you are occupied with some of the other thing. You're pushing yourself to the limit where you can, have the courage to move ahead and show other people who are just like me and who think that they just can't do anything sitting on a wheelchair.
Second national wheelchair basketball camp दिल्ली में हुआ था. बाहर से नियर अबाउट 9-10 टीम्स आया था स्टेट्स. उनका पास इतना व्हीलचेयर नहीं था.
So there we faced so many challenges because of sharing between teams with the available sports chairs. Not only in the championship, even once the teams go back to their place, they are not able to practice regularly because they don't have sports chairs.
यहाँ पे जब एक व्हीलचेयर का मोटिवेशन चेयर, वो मल्टी स्पोर्ट चेयर, वो टेबल टेनिस पे भी वही चेयर यूज कर रहे हैं, बास्केटबॉल चेयर में वही मतलब व्हीलचेयर यूज कर रहे हैं, बैडमिंटन में भी वही व्हीलचेयर यूज कर रहे हैं, और उसमें वही व्हीलचेयर यूज कर रहे हैं, वो मल्टी और वो सीट मतलब बैठने के लिए वही व्हीलचेयर यूज कर रहे हैं. एक्चुअली बास्केटबॉल के लिए क्या है, मतलब हाइट, किसी का हाइट मतलब कम होता है, किसी का हाइट ज़्यादा होता है, किसी का वेट कम होता है, किसी का वेट ज़्यादा होता है, कोई एम्पुटी होते हैं, कोई पैराप्लेजिया होता है, पैराप्लेजिया में किसी का बैलेंस ऊपर होता है, किसी का बैलेंस नीचे होता है. तो उसके हिसाब से व्हीलचेयर की हाइट मतलब होनी चाहिए, जो अभी इंटरनेशनल के हिसाब से जो बच्चे बास्केटबॉल व्हीलचेयर है ही नहीं हमारे पास. तो इसीलिए मतलब वो चेयर होना बहुत जरूरी है. उससे क्या होता है कि आपकी स्पीड बढ़ेगी, आपकी स्टेमिना मतलब क्या जितना स्टेमिना ज़्यादा चाहिए उसमें और कम इस्तेमाल करके आप टेक्निकल यूज़ कर सकते हो, दिमाग यूज़ कर सकते हो.
हमें लोगों को सपोर्ट चाहिए व्हीलचेयर के लिए, क्योंकि अगर हमें बेटर व्हीलचेयर्स मिलेंगी तो हमें कई फायदे हो जाएंगे व्हीलचेयर से. जैसे स्पीड और बढ़ेगी व्हीलचेयर से, मूवमेंट्स हमारी और मजबूत होंगी और ड्रिबल भी हमारी आसान हो जाएगी. अगर बाई चांस कोई प्लेयर आता है ऑफेंस में तो ये मूवमेंट्स, ये भगाई, ये क्या, ये भगाई, ऐसे हमारी और मूवमेंट्स जो हैं वो आसान हो जाएंगी बेटर व्हीलचेयर्स होंगी तो.
Within 2 years of time, we are able to reach to around 9 states with around 350 players in India with only a few chairs. But the sport is rapidly growing in our country. If we have at least 100 more sports wheelchairs, we will be able to give the opportunity to our players to practice regularly in their own places. The starting cost of the sports wheelchair is coming to around 35,000. With your generous support to buy sports wheelchairs, we hope we will be able to bring a positive change in the lives of our athletes and also help them achieving their dream of participating in Tokyo 2020 Paralympics.